Hello guys, it's me. My name is Suleiman. Call me Sully for sure. Come on, I keep saying sure, but whatever. Alright. So I'm playing Among Us with my friend Usher. Say hi, Usher. And oh my god, so many people died. I'm not sus. I'm not sus. I'm not sus, guys. I'm not sus, guys. Wuss. Sus, guys. Sus. I'm not sus, guys. I'm not sus. Alright. Okay. But you never saw me. But I'm crewmate. So don't worry about it. Nice! Dude, you have no proof it's me. Not me, told you. Hello? Okay, bruh. Did your mic disconnect? Oh, bruh, okay. Come on, waiting for the host to start it. Start. Oh my god. Oh, thank you. Alright, I'm still the Michael Myers, though. I wish you could jump in Among Us. That would be so cool. You could jump onto these boxes and the imposter can't jump. That would be amazing. But that won't happen. So, how's life, Usher? I told you I was the imposter. Newbie, Trey, Lee, I told you. I, Air, Lee, Trey, Newbie. Newbie's my best friend. His name is Usher. Yeah, Butcher. Yep. Alright, well, I'm gonna wait. Alright. Is it done yet? Alright, what is it? Oh, yeah, it's starting. Let's go. Oh, some person joined. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Crewmate. Yoo-hoo. Admin swipe. Alright, okay, it's not you. Trey is... Bruh, you just saw that? Yeah, save. I'm just doing my task like a good little ghost. Like a baby ghost. Hey! We lost! We lost. Bruh, shoes ads. Guys, go get shoes. I skate. I need shoes. I skate. I'm a shower. What? Hey, family friendly, dude. Family friendly. Family friendly. Alright. I guess. Don't tell them, you're spoiling it. Spoiler alert. Spoiler alert! Oh my god, a bad guy. There's a bad word guy. Ban him immediately. You already know. No. Go, come on, a crewmate. Dang, I'm a crew. Okay, why? Who gives this much task? This is like an. I hope I don't die again. Dude, I died. Oh my god, my head got decapitated. Cyan. Shields. It's dark blue too. Mhm. Hey, I'll just tell people I'm UYT. These people do not know they're on YouTube. My first video. Smashing my mic. I know, 'cause it went so fast. Meow. Weird sounds, nunny. Nunny? Alright, don't say it. Okay, you're being weird, Usher. Weirdo! We got a weirdo in the house. No, stop spoiling everything. Spoiler! Yeah. Alright, well, guys, that ends it for today. I'll see. Make sure to hit subscribe. Make sure to like and subscribe this video. Bye.